Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make a half kg vanilla cake. So as always, first take a piece of cake, add sugar syrup on top of it, then add whipped cream frosting and then spread it around on the piece. And then that's it. Now start our crumb coating. This is actually a tutorial on how to crumb coat a half kg vanilla cake, and this is very easy to do. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.